Hello, this video is for working on a common hot tub or pool pump motor, the Smith SQS1102R. There's very little information on this motor and its parts out on the internet, so I post this for you. Here are the bearings. The larger bearing, which goes on the front, is a 6204, actually 62042RS. RS is rubber seal, so both sides are rubber sealed. Dimensions are 20 millimeters by 47 millimeters by 14 millimeters on the in, out, and thick. There's the smaller bearing, a 6203 RS as well. You can get these on Amazon. You just search on those part numbers. The other interesting problem I had is when removing the facing, the motor, the through bolts broke, all but one. So what I did was use 8/32 rod, because that's what the through bolt is. It's just basically the thread is 8/32. 8-32. There's the way I did it. The studs were sort of sticking up, so I just used couplers to couple to those instead of trying to get them out, because they're really fused into the base. And then I epoxied those so they would stay on. And I'll just take this whole thing now into the motor and thread it through. I actually, when I put this together with the epoxy, I had it sitting in there so that it would be all aligned, so that it would easily go in. Anyway, so I hope that helps people. Again, oh, this rod, by the way, the original rod, in case you're going to buy them and you need to know the length, appears to be 10.75. Again, that's the 8-32 thread pit. Okay, there you go.